Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. It looks like this is from Wii because of this stuff. Sorry, this was upside down. But it could just be somebody sending me a package and they just reused a box from, I'm not really sure. As per usual, we'll find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to support me, there's a link for Patreon down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see. Either way, I don't know. It's always fun when it's a surprise. That's why we do unboxings. Yeah, we get it. You do unboxings and you never know. What? What is this? It's a little package, all right. What? Alrighty. Well, hang on a second. Look at this. I don't understand. Did you, this is clearly from Wii and Civivi. Did you guys tell me that this was coming? There's a little note. Okay. Dear Metal Complex, thank you for everything you do to promote our brands. Oh, it is from them. Okay, cool. Yes. They're running the special Father's Day sale from June 7th to June 20th. With great discounts at participating dealers. Yeah, I did talk with them about this, so that's cool. This is at Civivi.com. I'm going to link this right down below so you guys know what's going on. All purchases at participating dealers will get a free lanyard/bead while supplies last. Okay, neat. Free gift. Check them out on Instagram, Civivi Knives, Wii Knives, absolutely. That's really cool, and they said, please enjoy this free gift, and happy Father's Day. Well, thank you so much. That's really, really cool. All right. So this is the multi-tool. And so periodically I do use little multi-tools. And I keep switching out the one that's on my keychain because I haven't quite figured out the best thing for my keys. So perhaps, perhaps we've got something interesting here. Let's take a look. All right. It looks like we've got something that is a bottle opener. Let's see if we can get in here real quick. All right, what do we have? We definitely have some sort of bottle opener. Now, what's going on with this here? Let's take a look. Can we see? All right, we've got bottle opener. Open doors. Oh, so like you can do it without touching it. Okay, all right. Press buttons. There you go. Hey, you know what? We live in a time where some people are going to find this useful. So I get that, right? It's not the first time I've seen that. So there you go. And touch screens. All right. Well, there you go. That's kind of neat. Yeah. You can choke up on it, right? Multiple poking positions. The bottle opener thing I definitely, would find personally useful. So thank you very much for that. More stickers. Definitely going to use those. We do have the Lanyard and Beads. So that's pretty cool. I'll get that out so you guys can take a look at that here real quick. You guys know that I'm not a lanyard person, but I will, for no reason, hang beads off my keys sometimes, just because. I don't know why. And obviously, they don't do anything. They have no utilitarian purpose, but this is kind of cool. Look at that, how it's kind of got that hammered finish. That's kind of nice. So there you go. If you're into lanyards and beads, it's pretty neat. We have a small Civivi box here. Of course, it's sealed, so we got to get it open. I'm trying to give it a strategic turn so I can't see what's on the box because I want to open it without knowing. What do we have here? Is it another? Oh, it's another multi-tool. Okay, very cool. Now, see, this is more like something that I would connect to my keys. Right now, I have no bottle opener, and I've got a nail puller / pry bar, right? So this is something that might be useful, right? Not so much the different size wrenches or hex wrenches, but the combination bottle opener and nail puller pry bar. That's something I might consider putting on my keys. So that's pretty cool. And then it looks like, of course, the reason I saved the largest one for last is because it's most likely, or I'm assuming it's a knife. So let's see here. What do we have? What do we have? We do have a knife. We have another version of the Elementum, which is, of course, one of the most popular knives from Civivi, and it's definitely an excellent knife. I've reviewed this knife. Actually, oh, hey, thank you. Hey, thanks, guys. That's cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. This one will, of course, be staying with me because it has my name on it. And I don't have a dedicated Elementum, so thank you very much. That's really cool. We've got D2 and it looks like probably some treated wood scales. That's really nice. I appreciate that. And I will absolutely throw it into my rotation periodically. That was really nice of you guys. Very, very cool. Thank you so much for doing that. So guys, yeah, there's a sale coming up. I'll make sure that there's a link so you guys kind of know what's going on. But that was really nice. I appreciate that. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. I think that's everything. So cool stuff. Make sure that you're, kind of ready for the Father's Day events. And yeah, get your hands on some cool stuff. So anyways, guys, that's about it. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Oops. Got to deal with having that upside down today. Follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.